Welcome to Linh House, your ultimate destination for home design inspiration. We're passionate about helping you create your dream home. From the grand exterior to the cozy interior, our channel offers a wealth of ideas, tips, and tutorials to guide you through every step of the design process. Whether you're building a new home or renovating an existing one, we've got you covered. Join us as we explore various architectural styles, interior design trends, and practical DIY projects to transform your house into a home you'll love.
Step into a world of tranquility and discover a modern house that seamlessly blends contemporary design with the serene beauty of a Japanese garden. The house, a testament to minimalist aesthetics, is constructed from a harmonious combination of concrete and warm wood, creating a striking contrast that exudes a sense of understated elegance. A garden within. The heart of this home is a meticulously crafted Japanese garden, a tranquil oasis nestled within the very core of the house. A serene pond, adorned with vibrant koi fish, reflects the gentle sunlight filtering through the surrounding foliage. Meticulously arranged rocks and lush greenery, including graceful bamboo stalks and delicate flowering cherry blossoms, create a sense of harmony and tranquility. A fusion of east and west, the house features floor-to-ceiling windows that offer breathtaking views of the garden, blurring the lines between indoor and outdoor spaces. These expansive windows, framed with sleek black metal, allow natural light to flood the interior, illuminating the interplay of light and shadow cast by the garden's foliage. A sanctuary of tranquility, the minimalist interior of the house complements the serene atmosphere of the garden. Clean lines, neutral colors, and a focus on natural materials create a sense of calm and tranquility. The interplay of light and shadow, cast by the garden's foliage, dances across the walls and floors, creating a dynamic and ever-changing visual experience. A harmonious blend of East and West, this modern house, with its Japanese-inspired garden, is a testament to the power of design to create a harmonious blend of East and West. It is a sanctuary of tranquility, where the beauty of nature and the elegance of modern architecture converge to create a truly unique and inspiring living space.
Comment below to share your favorite garden. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your garden. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.